Hi friends, I am Jairam. Today I am explaining about business models of e-commerce. First we have to know about e-commerce. E-commerce is a business that lets firms and individuals buy and sell things over the internet. E-commerce operates in all four of the following major market segments. There are four e-commerce models: business to business, B2B, business to consumer, B2C, consumer to consumer, C2C, consumer to business, C2B. First we discuss about business to business model. This is said to be fastest growing sector of e-commerce. The B2B model involves electronic transactions for ordering, purchasing as well as other administrative tasks between houses. It includes trading goods such as business subscriptions, professional services, manufacturing and wholesale dealings. B2B business is conducted only through the internet. Example: IndiaMart, eWorld Trade, Trade India. These are sites for business to business model. Second one is business to consumer model. The B2C model involves transaction between business organization and consumers. It applies to any business organizations that sells its products or services to customers over the internet. The B2C model also includes services, online banking, travel services and health information. Example of these sites are Amazon, McDonald's, Walmart. And third model is consumer to consumer model. The C2C model involves a transaction between consumers. Here a consumer sells directly to another consumer through online auction websites that provide a consumer to advertise and sell their products online to another consumer. However, it is essential that both the seller and the buyer must register with the auction site. Example: eBay, OLX, Zamru, Quicker. The fourth model is consumer to business model. The C2B model involves a transaction that is conducted between a consumer and a business organization. It is similar to the B2C model. However, the difference is that in this case the consumer is the seller and the business organization is the buyer. This category includes individuals who sells products and services to the organization. Example of these sites are Fiverr, Shutterstock, Freelancer. Thank you friends.